Hello everyone, I am Neha Pawar. I am from Ahmednagar. I have completed my graduation in BSc Computer Science. After graduation, I was searching for IT classes. One of my friend is having training in iTpreneur, so she suggested me to join iTpreneur. After I got to know about iTpreneur, I came here, and I came here for about iTpreneur, and after come here, Anil ma'am, Pankaj sir helped me a lot, and helped me a lot and did lots of hard work for getting me place. I have came here from a full stack developer, and within 4 months. I got placed as a software developer. Here all faculty members are very good and helpful. And lastly, I want to thank to Anil ma'am, Pankaj sir, and Prashant sir. They had a very big role behind this. Thank you, ITpreneur.